The freshest entertainment and lifestyle news before anybody else drops it. Yes, I am the one that gives it to you. If you didn't hear it from Ms. Drew, it is not true. And so today, I'm about to tell you all about Zendaya, who is the youngest woman in the world to win an Emmy Awards. We also have Minister of Tourism, who has debunked the claims of relocating the proposed film village. And I'm definitely about to tell you the real reason why Cardi B filed for divorce. Now, let's start with the Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture, Barbara Oteng JC. Now, she has debunked the claims of relocating the proposed film village from Kunsu to Secha in the Ashanti region. Now, I know last week we spoke about it. Earlier this month, members of the Creative Forum in the region accused the government of relocating the film village and threatened to embark on a strike to register their displeasure. Now, the minister, in a stakeholder meeting in Kumasi, she came out and said that the government has not settled on a site for the film village yet. So where were you guys getting your information? You see? She noted that it will be built in the Ashanti region, but the government is still considering 3 sites for the construction of the film village. Do not believe everything you hear. I say it all the time, guys. Don't believe the lies. Now, Shatta and Medikal, they've been serving some friendship goals for a long time. We already know they mention each other in songs, they do collaborations, all of that stuff. Now, the friendship between the dancehall artist Shatta Wale and rapper Medikal seems to be very strong, especially the bond with their recent display on social media. Now, in a tweet, Shatta Wale expressed his appreciation for the love and the support that Medikal had shown him over the years, and he also promised to reward his loyalty. Now, Shatta also said that he prays God grants Medikal and his family long life. Now, on the other side, Medikal then showed his love and appreciation by tattooing Shatta Wale's logo on his body, like it was big. A big SM on his arm. Now, Shatta was awed by the gesture and in a tweet asked Fela McCarthy to thank Medikal on his behalf. I'm wondering why he asked Fela to thank Medikal. Well, we know that they're all close and all of that good stuff. I felt like this is what you call real friendship goals, and I'm waiting for someone to tattoo my name on their skin. You know, show me how much you love me, okay? Now, my TikTok lovers, US President Donald Trump has expressed his approval of a deal that will allow Chinese-owned video sharing app TikTok to continue operating in the United States. Now, I know a lot of people were upset when TikTok got cancelled, but if you recall, President Trump ordered for the app to be banned in the US, citing national security concerns. Now, Trump has told reporters in the US that he has now given his blessing, saying, to partnership between TikTok and US firms Oracle and Walmart. He also added that the deal would ensure that the data of the estimated 100 million Americans will use the app and are safe. However, the Chinese-owned messaging and payments app WeChat remains banned in the US. Yes, we don't need WeChat. What is that? Well, actually, let me not say anything. Now, let's throw some spotlight to the Hollywood actress Zendaya. Okay, now she's a former Disney Channel star, if you guys are a Disney Channel fan like me. Now, she has made history as she becomes the youngest woman to win Best Actress in a Drama Series at the 2020 Emmy Awards. She is only 24 years old and she picked up the Covert Prize for playing the character Rue, a teenage drug addict, in the HBO drama series Euphoria. Now, Zendaya competed with Jodie Comer, Laurie Linney, Olivia Colman, Jennifer Aniston, and other outstanding actresses for this award. Now, she became the second second black actress to win the Emmy category after Viola Davis. She made the big breakthrough in 2015 for the movie How to Get Away with Murder, which is a series, my favorite. And she is also set to star in another Spider-Man movie next year, and will also feature in Frank Herbert's novel Dune. And you guys know I am definitely looking forward to her next movie. Now let's talk about Cardi B, okay? So we all know Cardi B filed for a divorce, but she has debunked rumors that she filed for divorce because Offset was cheating on her. Now, during an Instagram live, Cardi clarified that the divorce has nothing to do with the past scandals, and Demise claims that Offset has gotten another lady pregnant. She explained that she just got tired of fighting all the time and being left in the dark to wonder. She says she is at peace now, and unlike previous scandals, she hasn't shed any tears over the situation. Yeah, girl, we don't need to cry, okay? She also added that she wants the divorce process to be as peaceful and drama-free as possible. Now, moving on to Thailand. Has any of you gone to Thailand before? Thailand is so beautiful. Thailand has found a new way to make their people happy and satisfy their desire to travel. Now, plane cafes are exactly what they sound like. Plane cafes, guys. Have you heard of a cafe on a plane? So located in a retired commercial airplane, customers are given the chance to pretend they are in the sky. You know, we used to have that in Ghana, right? Customers are treated as passengers, sitting in first class, getting served by air hostesses, and even getting a chance to visit and tour the cockpit. So the innovation has quickly caught on, with citizens encouraging that more places and countries should follow suit. We have something like that in Ghana. I told you I would definitely like to try it out again, because I've been there before when it first came out. You guys know how much Drew loves food. So I've been there, and it was actually a fun and safe experience. Moving on to our lifestyle tip of the day. Living a healthier lifestyle is not extra hard. It just requires you to pay a lot. When I say a lot, guys, a lot of attention. Starting with number one. Remember, it doesn't have to be anything lifting, no heavy lifting. You just need to remain active by exercising every day, or 2-3 times a week. Number two, be careful what you drink. Too much alcohol and too much caffeine is not good for you. Those of you that can't start your day without coffee, think again. Number three, I know. This one, I need to do this one. Get enough sleep, guys. Regular all nights are you need to strive for at least 8 hours a day. Sounds like a lot, but it's needed. It's good for you. It's good for your skin, makes you feel better, good for the brain, all of that good stuff. Number four, do not skip meals, okay? Eating regularly is very important. 3 times a day, short little snacks in between, small little meals, but active. Eating regular is good for you. And number five, stay hydrated. If you want good skin like me, you want your skin to be popping, you gotta drink a lot of water, okay? Drink water, mind your own business. That's a Miss Drew tip for today. Guys, I am out of the building. I'll be back again same time tomorrow. If you missed it, or no, obviously you didn't miss it, but tell a friend to catch us back again for the repeat at 2 p.m. My name is Miss Drew. Follow me on Instagram, MZDRU_.